Joy and sorrow, sun and rain. Laughing now, then feeling low. Times will come and times will go. Hearts will break and heal again. Like the sky with sun and rain. Buddha showed the honest way to see the truth of every day. Buddha taught that wants and dreams flow like fast and restless streams. Craving pulls the heart apart, building storms inside the heart. Wishing, grabbing, clinging tight takes away our peace and light. Buddha said to look within, let go and let true peace begin. Buddha smiled and softly said, suffering's not a road with no end, no end. There's a place beyond the pain, like the calm after the rain. Peace will grow when hate is gone, like the morning's gentle on. Buddha's path will make you free, a brighter world for you, me. Buddha showed a shining way, step by step, day by day. Right view, right thought, and words so kind. Right acts and work, pure heart and mind. Right effort too, and mindful eyes. Right focus underneath the skies. Buddha's path so clear and true will lead to peace for me.